Hello everyone, today I'm gonna show you how to replace front camera on iPhone 7 Plus. What tools you will need to disassemble the iPhone 7 Plus? A screwdriver set, plastic mediator, tweezers, section cap for removing display, adhesive tape for restore water protection. In the description under the video I left link where you can buy all necessary tools and replacement parts for iPhone 7 Plus. Turn off the iPhone and remove SIM card tray. Remove two screws near charging port with Pintoloop 0.8mm screwdriver. Take a hairdryer and heat the display surface for 1 or 2 minutes. Set the section cap near home button and pull up the ring. Next, take the plastic mediator and begin to disconnect the display from the case of iPhone. On the top of display inside there are two latches that attach to the case, so you need to pull the display down and unstick the display from top. The case of iPhone 7 Plus opens like a book. Now take a tri-wing screwdriver and remove all screws on the lower metal panel and 3 screws on the upper metal panel. First, disconnect the battery cable from the mainboard and after disconnect 3 display cables. To replace the cable with the front camera and sensors, you need to unscrew 5 screws and remove the metal bracket. Now remove the ear speaker. Next, move on to removing the cable with front camera and sensors. The cable is glued to the display case and it is recommended to heat the back side of display with a hairdryer for successful peeling of cable. Take a thin but not sharp tool. It is best to use tweezers with flat ends and start peeling off the cable first, and then the sensors. In the description under the video I left a link where to buy a cable with front camera for replacement. Install a new cable with the front camera. Install the speaker, put the metal bracket on top and fasten 5 screws. Everything assembled, now you can connect and check how front camera works. Please note that first 3 display cables are connected and lastly the battery cable. If the front camera and sensors are working fine, you can begin to the final stage of assembly with restoration of water resistance. Remove the adhesive tape from the back cover of iPhone. Now take a cotton swab and medical or isopropyl alcohol and wipe the iPhone back cover from the remains of glue. Now take a waterproof adhesive tape and put it on the iPhone case. Using this adhesive tape, you restore resistance to dust and water. First, connect 3 display cables to mainboard and then connect the battery cable. Install metal panels and fasten all screws. Turn the display over and push it to the back cover. Fasten last 2 screws near charging connector. Install the SIM card and turn on the iPhone. I hope this video was useful to you and helps repair your iPhone 7 Plus. See you soon on How-FixIT.